A winter storm brought heavy snow and strong winds across the Toronto area and wide swaths of the province Friday evening. For the Toronto area, the snow, which was forecast to be heavy at times, transitioned to rain later Friday night as temperatures rose above freezing, Environment Canada said. The weather agency issued a winter storm warning for Toronto on Friday night, calling for 10 to 25 centimeters of snow by Saturday morning. The warning was lifted just after 11:30 p.m.
Are you happy? Are you okay? Okay.
Surfaces such as highways, roads, walkways, and parking lots may become difficult to navigate due to accumulating snow. Visibility will be suddenly reduced to near zero at times in heavy snow and blowing snow, the agency said. Visibility could be reduced because of strong wind gusts, up to 70 kilometers/h, resulting in blowing snow, it added. Environment Canada said much colder Arctic air will settle over the region in the wake of the system. A multi-day lake effect snow event is forecast for areas east of the Great Lakes, bringing more snow to some communities. A winter weather travel advisory for the city, in place for much of Friday, has been lifted. In Toronto, the city said it would deploy plows to expressways and major thoroughfares after 2.5 centimeters of snow had accumulated, and to residential streets after 8 centimeters. Some northern stretches of the GTA, including Caledon, northern York and Durham regions, as well as a wide swath of the province, ranging from the shores of Lake Huron in the west to Ottawa in the east, were under winter storm warnings on Friday night.
And so it's begun.
Pistachio.
Those areas could see up to 25 centimeters of snowfall in a relatively short period of time, Environment Canada said. Schmidt urged drivers to have their full headlight systems on, keep a firm grip on the steering wheel due to wind gusts, and give themselves a lot of distance behind traffic on the highway. The TTC said it planned to deploy extra employees and maintenance vehicles through the transit system to spread salt, clear snow from surfaces, and keep signals, switches, and overhead power operating during the storm on Friday. The transit agency said it would also deploy more buses on a route-by-route basis to preserve service in areas where there was heavy snowfall or weather conditions that result in slowdowns, detours, and disruptions. We're in the thick of it in southern Ontario as heavy snow and whipping winds spread across the region through the overnight hours. Blizzard-like conditions will threaten dangerous, if not impossible, travel overnight through Saturday morning. Snowfall rates of 3 to 5 plus chem per hour are possible at times. Blustery winds will lead to blowing and drifting snow.
Poor day.